Today, I am HP Touchscreen Laptop 2024. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. This HP touchscreen laptop is a stunning balance of style, functionality, and affordability, designed for students, home use, and everyday productivity. Right out of the box, the pale gold finish makes a lasting impression, offering a modern and elegant look that stands out. But this laptop is more than just a pretty device. It's packed with features that make it both practical and powerful for day-to-day tasks. Powered by an Intel Celeron N4500 processor, this laptop delivers a smooth and responsive computing experience for basic work, web browsing, online classes, and light content creation. It operates with 2 cores and turbo speeds up to 2.8 GHz, making it well-suited for multitasking, especially when paired with its impressive 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. That much memory allows you to run multiple applications and browser tabs without lag, making it ideal for students managing research projects or professionals working with productivity tools. The storage on this laptop is generous, with a 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD that offers not only ample space for documents, projects, photos, and videos, but also rapid boot times and fast access to files. This combination of large storage and speedy performance is perfect for students juggling multiple projects or professionals handling data-intensive work. One of the standout features of this HP laptop is its 14-inch HD touchscreen display. With micro-edge BrightView technology, the ultra-thin bezels create a sleek, immersive viewing experience, maximizing screen space without adding bulk. The anti-glare coating ensures comfortable viewing in a variety of lighting conditions, while the touchscreen interface makes interaction intuitive, especially for study, creative work, and navigation. Whether you are taking notes, browsing content, or streaming videos, this display delivers clarity and convenience. For video calls and remote learning, the HP TrueVision 720p HD webcam with dual-array microphones is a valuable asset. It ensures sharp, clear video and crisp audio, even in low-light conditions, making it perfect for online meetings, virtual classrooms, and casual chats with friends and family. Another highlight of this laptop is the inclusion of a 1-year subscription to Microsoft Office 365, which greatly enhances productivity. Whether it's creating documents, managing spreadsheets, or building presentations, having the Office suite at your fingertips adds immense value, especially for students and remote workers. Connectivity options are comprehensive, with USB Type-C, USB Type-A ports, HDMI, an SD card reader, and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring high-speed internet and flexible device connections. This means whether you're connecting to external displays, transferring files, or plugging in peripherals, this laptop has you covered. HP has also made this laptop impressively portable. Weighing just over 3 pounds and only 0.71 inches thick, it is slim enough to fit into a backpack without weighing you down, making it an excellent choice for students who need a lightweight device for classes or professionals who work on the move. Battery life is another strong point. It's designed to last through a full day of work or study without needing a charge, allowing you to focus on your tasks without worrying about power outlets. Combined with Windows 11 Home in S mode, this laptop delivers a secure and efficient operating experience, optimized for performance and safety. For those who value both performance and design at an accessible price point, this HP touchscreen laptop is an excellent choice. It blends portability, power, and modern aesthetics into a device that caters perfectly to students, professionals, and anyone who needs a reliable laptop for everyday use. Whether for studying, work, or personal projects, it provides the tools, storage, and performance to keep up with your lifestyle. This HP laptop isn't just a tool, it's a partner for productivity, learning, and creativity, all wrapped in a slim and elegant design that makes working and studying a joy.